Hey guys, what's up? This is Wali from bestbloggerkp.com and you are learning advanced PHP complete CMS and website. So here I am. In previous video I taught you how to delete the specific post, and now this is the time to talk about edit the post. We can edit and update the post easily just by clicking this link, but we need to make sure that we have given the specific ID to edit a post. So that's it. Come here, and we already created this page, delete.php, so we don't need anymore to open this in Notepad. Just I deleted that. I closed that page. Now this is the edit link we have given already, but the same thing will be done here. Just copy this line from here to here and Control C, just paste it here. So this will be edit. This will be edit, and that's really post ID. The post ID will be edit here as well. Control S to save. Now come here, refresh this page, and when you will mouse over here, this is the ID number 12. You can see here, you can observe. So this ID will be edited. So every edit link has its own specific ID. Now come here and create the edit post.php page. Control N to create new page, and just come to, we will open that page for saving time, which we use to insert the post. So just open that page, insert underscore post.php, and just Control S, Control A to select all, and just I have copied this by using Control C and pasted it here. That's it. Really simple. Control N to Control S to save with the name edit underscore post.php, and just save it. And also come to this view post page and give this the exact or correct URL, that is edit post.php. So now the person will be coming to that post, to this page. Sorry, this edit underscore post.php. Just come here and click one of the posts, the edit link here. Just click, and you don't see anything, edit.php. So refresh the page again. Now click this page. You are coming to this place. So we need to actually do something more here. That is not enough. Just come here, and after the body, first of all, just come to add main index page, and copy this whole by using Control C, and inside edit.php remove this line and paste that code here, and remove this one, the welcome ID, as we did in the view posts. So that's it. Really simple. We have just removed that, and this two body and HTML close page, because that we have already here closed and below the page. Now Control S to save. Now when you will click, so you won't feel that you are out of the admin panel. Just click this edit. Now you are coming same in this place, in the administrator panel. So from here you can just now update or edit your posts. So come here again and scroll down this page. The table is here, our table is here, so we need to have some bg color for this. Bg color is equal to orange, so this will be looking a little bit good. Refresh it. Now you can update or edit your post within your admin panel. That we did just by simply copy and paste. So now the first thing is, first we just need to say that the post, when the publish button or the update button will be clicked, the page, the action should be the same page, like edit underscore posts .php. yeah, and form data, everything is okay. Now we are just saying insert new post here. We will say edit the post here. Yeah, that's it. So post title and post title or post author or etc whatsoever, this this PHP block will be here as usual, but no, we will create this PHP block again. Just now remove it because this is very long post about I mean to say about updating the data and editing the data. The first thing is to edit the data. So for that we need to have something really interesting here after the due tag and before the before the form tag. Here just insert two brackets of closing and in starting PHP. After that say that if a set $_ get and the variable is edit. That's it. Now this code will be executed inside these two curly brackets, which is the first thing is edit id is equal id, which is equal to, this is the local variable edit id, which is equal to $_ get, because the value coming, the specific id is coming from the edit variable, which is a URL variable. Here on the view post page, here you can see this is the get variable, which is having a specific post id that will come here to this post, to this edit post page, and we are getting that specific id and transferring that to this local variable. And after that we just need to create another variable, edit_query is equal to, now we will save a query here. We will say that select stack all from post where post_id is equal to this coming id, which is this edit_id variable. So control S to save. Now you need to run this, create a run variable, run edit, and this will be is equal to MySQL_query, and the query will be this variable, which is edit_query. The query has run. Now come here and run a while loop and say create a new variable, edit_row, and is equal to MySQL_fetch array, which this will create an array of of $_ edit variable. Yeah, and after that there's two curly brackets for this while loop. So you need to just say that what do you need to retrieve from the database. You need to retrieve the data, the things from the database, for example, to show here, for showing here, like the post title, post author, and the post keywords, and the image, and also the content of the page, the content of the post. So that's thing 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 records will be coming here. The first thing is $_post id is equal to, that will be this variable. I want to copy this and paste it here, and the first thing is the post id. The post id, we don't show this post id here, but we may need this to use somewhere, post_id. And after that come here, create another variable, post title is equal to this, and this will be fetching the post title from the table. So now copy this and paste it 1 2 3 4. This will be image, no sorry, this will be the author, post author, this will be the post keywords, this will be the image,
and this will be the content of the post. So come here, post title, to that post author from the specific field, and post keywords from the keywords field in the table. This is actually retrieving the data from the database or from the table, and post image name that is saved inside our database, and also the content. So the data has been basically we have retrieved this data from the database. Now what we need to do, we need to show this data here, because this data will be coming from the from the database or the table. So we need to show this data inside this form when someone will click this edit button, and after that the user or the administrator will be able to change this data or to edit this data, and after that he will click the update button. So now the first thing is, first we also need to publish now, change publish now to update now. This button will be like this. So we have retrieved the data. Now what we need to do is just echo all the data here inside these input tags, and for that we will use the value, because by default we use the value to show the data somewhere, inside these fields we can show the data, like we have given the value to this button publish now and previous insert underscore post page, so it is showing here. So we can also show or these input fields, that if we write something in the value, that will be showing up here or will be displaying, but we didn't need that because we needed the user input. But now this time we need the value, so we can easily put the value here, and inside that value attribute we will echo the data we are receiving or we are calling from the database or from the table. So here we go. This, the first thing is, first this is the post title. Inside this you will just say that PHP echo. What you are going to echo? You are going to echo the post title variable that you already created. Yes, it is. So this is very simple. Now Control S to save, just check it, but before checking, just remove these two brackets from here, the while loop and of the fset command, and we will just what we will do, we will close them after this form tag. Control S to save. Now come here and go back to view post.php, refresh it and click one of the ID, for example this first one, click the edit link. So something is wrong here, check on line number 33. Select all from post where post ID is equal to edit ID. That's okay. And edit query, run edit. Everything is okay here. I don't see an error, but maybe something is wrong. For example, we need to close this. We just remove that, come here and just both the brackets we inserted here. Now Control S to save, come here, refresh this page. Oh, I'm really sorry that I don't know what happened here. The data is not coming into this place. Let's check what is the problem.
Oh my god guys, we just forgot, I checked the code, we just forgot to connect to include the connect page to make a connection with the database, because we are dealing with database, we are editing the database or retrieving the data from the database, but we haven't created the connection. So we need to include first the connection of database here by including the connect page from the includes folder connect.php. so after that, just come here and replace this page, and you are seeing the title of the post that we clicked on, that on the the view post, and that was having an ID, that post was having an ID 12, and this title is here, you can see. Now come here and just copy this value, because we have retrieved the data from the database for that specific ID, so everything should come now, and post it here, paste it here, sorry, and the post, give it the post author, because we have created this variable already, and also we'll paste it here for saving the time, and the post keywords, this is the variable post keyword we already created, and the post image, for the post image we need to now remove this basically, and say that image source is equal to images folder, which is actually out of directory. So for out of directory folder we just add two dot signs and one backslash, so that's it, that makes sure the folder is outside of this directory or of this folder. So now just say PHP echo, and the variable is $_post image. So that's it, very simple. And you can also add the width and height, because the image will be bigger size. We just add 100 pixel, and we say that height should also be 100 pixel. And also you need to add an inbox, input field for inserting the new image. This is the older image, so for inserting the new image you need to create another input tag. You need to create another input tag which name will be the same image, and that's it, very simple. Control is to save. Now come here, and the post content should be, the post content variable should be echoed here between the text area and text area, starting in text area, closing tag. Here you should paste that code. Here you should echo that variable, the post content, because you cannot paste it as a value, because this won't be shown here on this text area, because this is a different thing. Control is to save. Now everything is okay. Come here, refresh your page, so every information should come here. So this is your title, this is your author, this is your keywords, these are your keywords you already inserted in the post, this is your content for that post. And now you can select another image, or you can change this post title, the author, the keywords, new image, and also you can change this this content as well. So this post is here, you can see this is actually this post. I will click this on the site, and this is ID number 12, and we are also editing ID number 12, you can see in my browser. So this is the content, everything, and we have that here. So this means we have retrieved the already data from the database. You can view another post, just come here to view post, just click this one, edit the another post, click this one, and you can see this is the picture, this is the data, and this is the title, the author name, keywords, etc, whatsoever. So on any on any of the post you can click edit, and all the information of that post will be coming from your database. And now this most important part is to edit this data and to then update this post. So that is coming in my next post. We have retrieved the data, the
the exact post from the database, the specific post when someone will click that post, the edit link. So after that, here after the HTML, our work is for that how can we update the data. So till next tutorial, stay tuned.